Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to convert your Lovable application into iOS application for iPhone. So guys, if you want to convert your Lovable application to the iOS application, so guys, it is very easy. So guys, first of all, you simply go and to your Lovable application. Okay, after that guys, you simply go to your home. So here I am currently creating one application. So go for home of dashboard of your app. Sorry, Lovable. Just remove it, go back, dashboard. Now guys, here it shows your all application. Now you simply go here and click here and copy the link. Okay, copy project link. After that you simply search convert website to app. Okay, now here you see the first application name is web to native, so you just open it. Okay, you just wait for a few seconds, it open. After that paste your URL and build your app. Okay, now your URL is verified. Now it asks the platform for your app, so you choose Android and the iOS. So I like iOS, Android and iOS both. So here is app name, so you enter your app name like DAS. Okay, and then view your demo. Now here you give your mail and it is ready in few seconds, and it is looking for the server. Identify the identical server to the host and run your application efficiently. Okay, even you edit your app and select your add-ons also. So here you see that your conversion is start and we are building your app. So just wait a few minutes and it will give you the full demo of your application. Okay, so just wait a minute. Now guys, here you see that your application is now ready. Okay, for iOS it is downloaded in the zip file and Android it is in APK file. So when I click on the option of download, so guys, here you see that my application is shows here, and just click on the option of APK. Okay, now here you see that my APK is download, and now you just put it into your Android and you just enjoy your application. So guys, this is the simple way that you can done. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.